Hi cocktail lovers, welcome to Monday Rules Don't Apply. This is Dan Hoffman. I've got a really special drink for you, something we found on a cruise ship years ago. Simple and oh so delicious. I call it the Royal Manhattan. Really, really easy. As always, we're going to measure because we want a tasty, well-balanced cocktail. I'm using cherry flavored Jim Beam Red Stag. So 2 ounces of that goes in the shaker. Your favorite sweet vermouth, 1 ounce of the vermouth, that goes in the shaker. Little orange bitters, a few dashes like that. A little bit of cherry juice. You can add more or less depending on your preference for taste. Shake it up over ice. As always, get some good motion. You want to aerate that cocktail. You always want to shake it with the opening toward your back so you don't spray all over your guests. And now I've got 2 serving options for you. I like take a big ice cube and serve it like an old fashioned. And so the drink goes in there. I'm only going to pour half of it and get a nice wide orange peel so I can spritz that over the top. Rub some of the orange oils on the glass so you get that aroma every time you take a sip. And then take a nice dark cherry, one of the good ones, not those bright red maraschinos. And there you go. So that's option number 1. Option number 2, the way my wife prefers it, is in a martini glass with chipped ice. Probably could have made a double batch. Let's go ahead and do that. Cherry and orange peel. A little bit smaller for the martini glass. And twist it. And there you go. Super simple, super delicious Royal Manhattan. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like us. And hey, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think.